your injuries and their current and future costs. Pain and suffering, medical care, lost wages, and property damage are some of the expenses we help you recover. We also work hard to identify, complete, and submit the required forms, make any required notifications, and file your personal injury lawsuit within the allotted time. What types of personal injury accidents can involve the federal government? Sometimes after an accident, it can be difficult to know where to assign liability. Some personal injury cases that might cause you to sue a government entity include being injured in a national park, being injured in a government building, being injured by a government vehicle, being injured by a federal employee. How and where your injury occurred plays an important part in determining who to pursue for compensation. After listening to you tell us how your injury occurred, we take careful note of the time, place, location, and circumstances of your personal injuries. These details help us determine where to assign liability and seek compensation. The Federal Tort Claims Act may apply to your case. Federal Tort Claims Act, FTCA, regulations may apply to your personal injury case against a government entity. FTCA guidelines require us to prove the following on your behalf. You were injured by a federal employee. Your property was damaged by the same. The at-fault employee was on duty at the time. The at-fault employee's negligence caused your injuries. As the plaintiff or claimant, we also help you submit the required forms and documents. In addition, we carefully track your injuries and their related expenses. For a free legal consultation, call 337-284-9548. What types of financial damages can I recover in a personal injury lawsuit? When you request compensation from the federal government, you can seek recovery of the same economic and non-economic damages you would from a private party. Your economic damages can include past and future medical bills, past and future lost wages, treatment-related travel expenses, property damage or total loss. In addition, your non-economic recoverable damages can include lasting physical disabilities or disfigurement, mental and emotional anguish, and ongoing pain and suffering. Louisiana law limits your time to file a lawsuit against the federal government. When you are injured in Louisiana, CC Art. 3492 generally gives you only 1 year to file a personal injury lawsuit. However, FTCA regulations generally give you up to 2 years to file your lawsuit. Therefore, with sufficient notice from you, we will help you comply with the relevant statute of limitations and ensure your case is filed on time. Our team's familiarity with state, local, and federal law means we can handle even the most complex personal injury cases. When we prepare your case against the federal government, we handle all legal forms and filings, build a comprehensive evidence case, assign a favorable value to your case. We also handle negotiations for you. We make sure you have the final say on accepting or rejecting